I needed a good table for my portable pellet grill. I looked at several of the more expensive options that were designed for grills, and in my search I came across this portable lightweight aluminum folding table. So I decided to give it a try. Now this table has the ability to support up to 66 pounds, and my grill weighs only 43 pounds. But my concern was the weight would be focused on 4 points where the feet of the grill rested. I decided to purchase this and see how it did. So this is what it looked like all packaged up. I will say they did a good job on the packaging. Setup was super easy. You just open up the legs of the table and then set up these 2 bars across, and they just pop into these little peg things. Then you roll open the aluminum bars, and on one side you will slide these openings onto the bars, and on the other side you will pop these clips down on top of the bars. I must say, the first time I set it up, I was super impressed with how sturdy it was. Keeping in mind it weighs 9.4 pounds and is a folding table. The height is non-adjustable and is set at 26.77 inches high, and the top of the table is 27 inches by 27 inches, which is perfect for what I needed. Packing it up is even easier than setting it up, and it packs neatly into the provided carrying case. Once packed up, it's about the size of a small fold-up camping chair. So now for the actual test with the grill. Make sure the table is level and the table legs are spread correctly, otherwise you can get a wobble. Once this table was set up, I placed the grill on top of it. Now this grill is on the heavier side, so I found it best to place the legs right over the 2 poles the top of the table rests on. Here I tried putting it in the middle of just the aluminum tabletop, and there is a slight sag in the bar all the weight rests on. It held up just fine, but I think for the longevity of the table, making sure the heavy weight of the grill is supported as much as possible is best. Depending on the type of feet whatever you're putting on this table has, you might not even have to worry about this. If my grill was spread over like 4 of these bars, it wouldn't even matter. There is a slight wobble in the table with the grill on it, but it's still perfectly steady for a light table. In fact, I'd say this has about the same amount of wobble as my lifetime table I used before this. So I'm honestly very impressed. It actually exceeded my expectations, and I look forward to using it often for more than just a place to put my grill.